Dear students, here is Dr. Farhat Yasmin, and today we will discuss about calcium. If we talk about its range in the soil, then it ranges from 3.3 to 6%, but in spite of its higher concentration in soil, its uptake is very low compared to potassium. Calcium is basically absorbed by plants as ionic calcium ion from the soil solution, and calcium is also contained in number of minerals such as dolomite, calcite, and apatite, in which it can be absorbed within the plants. It is also present abundantly in plant leaves, and in some species in plant cells as calcium oxalate. Major portion of calcium occurs in cell wall as calcium pectate and in apoplast, and very low concentration is retained as symplast. Calcium is basically immobile in plants, that's why its deficiency symptoms first of all appear in the younger portions of the plant. If we talk about its importance and utilization within the plant, then it is very important in the formation of middle lamella, as it is important constituent of calcium pectate. It also stimulates the process of protein synthesis and also take part in cell elongation and development of meristematic tissues. Calcium basically also enhances the uptake of nitrates and speed up the process of protein synthesis. Though its small amount is required in mitosis, as chromatin formation takes place in the presence of calcium, and it is a constituent of chromosome. It also takes part in the translocation of carbohydrates within the plants, and it is also structural component of cell membrane, and it is also essential in its normal functioning, and it is also involved in cell wall stability. If there is deficiency of calcium at morphoanatomical level, then as calcium, I have told earlier that it is immobile, so its deficiency symptoms first of all appear in the younger parts of the plants. Meristematic zone of roots, stem and leaves where cell divisions are occurring are more susceptible to disease, because calcium is required to form middle lamella in cell plate region between the daughter cells. Paling of leaf margins in brassica was observed in a study, and death of stem apex and wilting of flower was also observed during research, and chlorosis of apical leaflet, but tubers are severely malformed. Root nodulation is inhibited in the absence of calcium. If we talk about cellular and subcellular level, then calcium deficiency causes many cellular and subcellular symptoms, which are associated with leakage of water from a cell, so that some tissues become dissociated and some others become water soaked, due to which membrane breakdown and cell rupturing occurs. Chromatin breakage or other abnormalities also occurs in the pollen cells in the absence of calcium. In cereals, cell membrane become disorganized and cell division is impaired. Thank you.